Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to walk through the basic steps of creating a sheet, setting up views, and ultimately building an app. Let's jump right in and start by creating our first sheet. I want to create a sheet specifically for lead collection for my business, which involves selling software inventory to clients. Once saved, it will prompt us with the necessary elements needed for a data store containing all your leads. The system provides columns like lead name, email, phone number, company name, etc. If needed, you can edit these fields as per your requirements. For this demonstration, I'm going to remove one of the columns. By doing this, the column gets removed, and now we can proceed to create our sheet. I'll let the system decide on a name for this sheet. Next, it asks if I'm ready to proceed with creating the worksheet, and I simply confirm with a yes. The sheet is now created. Returning to the sheet, you'll notice it includes various drop-down options like New, Contracted, and more. The system is quite dynamic. For instance, if there's a gender column, it automatically provides options like male, female, and others. Now, heading back to our chat, I request, can you generate some demo data for this sheet? Demo data is being generated. If you have your own data, you can upload it via Excel or directly into the data store. This part could be covered in another tutorial, but for now, I'll instruct the system to go ahead and insert. There might be a confirmation prompt before data insertion, but eventually, you'll have your data in place. All right. The data has been successfully inserted. You can see the background process reflecting these changes. With the data in place, I decide that a Kanban view would be ideal for managing this serum sheet. The system asks about the specific details for the Kanban view. I opt for letting it make these decisions. This view aids in filtering and analyzing data effectively. I receive the configuration details, and I simply say, go ahead. In the background, you can now see the created views, including the Kanban view. By clicking a small arrow, all views and screens can be accessed, showing the progress of our build. This section represents your data store and one of the views. Now I'm asking to create a form for data collection. I instruct the system to create a form, leaving the specifics up to it. The form is ready. In this form, you have full control. Customize themes, apply colors, and more. For now, I'll make it transparent. After saving the changes, you can navigate back to your views, where the form is now available. Now, with the views and form ready, we'll consolidate them into a micro app as discussed earlier. I request the creation of a card view, which is particularly useful for mobile screens. After confirming, the system guides me through creating it. The card view is set up and visible in the background. Next, I want to add some analytical tools, a bar chart and a pie chart. I ask the system to handle the details of creating these charts. Configuration details for the bar chart and pie chart appear, though adjustments can be made if needed. With everything in place, I simply say, go ahead. Now, you can see both the bar chart and the pie chart, ready for you to explore. Finally, I request to bundle these views and charts into a micro app. The micro app is now created and ready to be shared with your team or the world. You can preview and interact with it on mobile devices too. Furthermore, you can create an APK to publish on platforms like the Google Play Store. All these capabilities are supported by our partners. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough.